If you want to extract the name part of an email address, you can do so with a formula that uses the left and find function. In the generic form above, the email address presents the email address you are working with. So how can you extract the name with this Gmail? So there is one formula. So first of all, equal to, and then left bracket, and then select this text. My text is this one, A4, and comma, and we are using another formula, find, again bracket, and then we are finding this text is there is underscore at the rate, and I will keep into inverted comma, and then comma, and then within text our text is this A4, and we are going to close this with bracket and -1. After doing this, press enter and S, and you will see it has been extracted the name from this email address. So at the core, this formula is extracting characters starting from the left and using the find function to figure out how many characters to extract. So in this way you can extract your name from Gmail address. So drag it down and you will get all the names from this Gmail address. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.